Welcome to Renterio. We are back with another kitchen renovation project which we completed in Rajarajeshwari Nagar, Bangalore. This is how the kitchen looked before I took up the project for renovation. This kitchen was totally taken off, the old kitchen cabinets. The window was resized. As you can see, we removed the tiles as well in this particular kitchen. The good thing about the kitchen was it had a beautiful layout. We changed the flooring as well. As you can see, we removed and resized the old window which was there. And to remind you again, this is how the kitchen looked when I took the project, and when I completed, this is how the kitchen looked. It had a beautiful island counter. We changed the flooring. We had a beautiful wall tiles. This is the kitchen after renovation. As you can see, it had this beautiful island counter. We've also given good sufficient lighting, and as you can see, let's start the tour of the kitchen. This is a beautiful tandem box which is 4 feet, single shutter and a shelf for more storage. The corner cabinet here, we've just given a single shelf because you can store more this way. We have a beautiful bottle pull out just next to the hob. This is a 3-piece, the first one being the cutlery tray, the 6-inch storage. The last one is a plate rack. The organizer is from Godrej. This is inner plate rack. Again, we have given large 2 drawers here which can take up to 40 kgs of weight easily, and the brand, the hardware which has been used is EBCO. In this, below the sink, we have made provision for an aquaguard to fit in. And if you see the tap which we have used in this kitchen, you see here, this is my client explaining me how happy she is about the kitchen. And if you see this tap, we have this flexible hose. We have a hot and cold, and the other tap is for the aquaguard. We have used louvers on the other side. And this is an island counter. We have the shutters with a shelf inside for more storage as per the client requirement. And we have wicker basket and a small drawer for more storage. This wicker basket is handmade. And this is the rolling shutters which we have used with the shelf inside. You can put all your mixie and other appliances here. This is for more storage, again an upper cabinet with a wood finish. We also have an open shelf which is made in solid wood. This is a 3-foot chimney from Hindware. And if you see here, we have the loft and a tall unit with a shutter above for more storage, and we have given internal lighting. Base unit, we have some space for the crockery. We have made space for the fridge as well. This kitchen had enough space, and we had a lot of opportunity to redo this kitchen in a neat way. So this is how the kitchen looks after renovation and giving the work to Renterio. This is what you could expect in renovating your old kitchen to a new kitchen. We've used track light and we've used spotlights to highlight the kitchen cabinets. This kitchen is an L shape which was renovated by Renterio in Bangalore, Rajarajeshwari Nagar.